Stay tuned to see how I DIY'd these Salon quality nails. So these are the nails that we'll be using for this tutorial. They are from Kiss, and no, this is not a sponsored ad, but it can be. Kiss, reach out to me. But I am simply taking and sizing the nails against my nail beds. It's better to go smaller than bigger when choosing your nails. Now I'm going through and just buffing my nail beds so that they will adhere a lot better and for a lot longer. And now I'm simply taking and gluing on each of my nails, and I will go ahead and wipe off any excess glue that seeps out from under the sides, because you want to just make sure that you press and hold down the nails for at least 10 to 15 seconds. When all the nails are on, it's time to decorate, and I'm using these really cute nail stickers that are kind of like tattoos, where you soak them with water and they will actually come off of the backing and you can apply them to your nails. They are very delicate, so work carefully. Once all of my stickers have been applied, I'm going back in and adding my gems. Of course, you know I love the sparkle, so I have to have that translate in my nails as well. Once they're added using a gem glue, I'm going to cure it under the UV light. Then I go back in and I add a top coat, making sure to cure for the full 90 seconds. Now this is just me adding cuticle oil to my cuticles, because you want them to be nourished after all of the drying glue that may have touched it, as well as all of the alcohol swabs that you may have gone through, just cleaning up your cuticles throughout the process. Make sure you rub that in really well. And here are my finished Salon quality nails. I love how they came out. They have such an iridescent shine to them. The jewels and the stickers really add another level. They don't look like regular press-on nails. They actually look like you've gone to the salon and gotten them done. I love how these nails came out. They're so cute and dainty, and the color is popping enough without being extra. It's a really soft and feminine set, and I adore how they came out. Make sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think of these nails and if you would have done anything differently. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. This has become one of my many hobbies that I have picked up during the whole quarantine, and I just love how my nails have been coming out, how they look very professional. I get so many compliments when I do my nails this way, so I really love this process, and I hope that it is helpful to you guys out there as well, especially if you are still like me and not really going out to various places. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell for notifications so you can join me every Tuesday. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.